Precision in motion. Our high-speed SMT lines ensure massive capacity with pinpoint accuracy. Fully automated production for maximum efficiency and exceptional reliability. Full traceability. Advanced laser marking for custom logos and serial numbers. The human touch. Skilled manual soldering for complex components. Meticulous flux cleaning to prevent corrosion and ensure long-term stability. Zero-defect commitment. Microscopic inspection to catch what the naked eye misses. High-standard ESD-Safe environment and neatly packed finished goods. Ready for global delivery. Your trusted partner for end-to-end PCBA manufacturing.